The idea that AI agencies might kill social media marketing sounds dramatic, but in reality, they're transforming it. Take ChatGPT and similar tools. These AI-driven content generators are revolutionizing how we create blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy. They not only speed up content creation, but also analyze customer sentiment, helping us craft personalized messages that truly resonate. Then there are platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer, which now use AI to automate post scheduling and track engagement. Imagine getting real-time analytics and automated reports, all while focusing on strategy. Influencer marketing is also evolving with AI tools like Influencity and Grin, which sift through massive data to find the perfect influencers for your brand, predicting ROI and making campaigns more efficient. AI analytics tools like Social Bakers and HubSpot dive deep into audience behavior, suggesting strategies to improve engagement and forecasting content performance, removing the guesswork from our campaigns. And let's not forget AI-driven advertising on platforms like Facebook and Google, where machine learning optimizes ad spend and performance in real time. With AI-powered image and video editing tools like Lumen 5, creating engaging visuals has never been easier. Plus, AI chatbots like ManyChat enhance customer engagement by providing instant responses, allowing marketers to focus on more complex tasks. So, rather than killing social media marketing, AI is reshaping it, allowing us to focus on strategy and creativity while it handles the routine work. It's an exciting time to be in marketing. What's next for AI in social media marketing? The integration of AI in social media marketing is only going to deepen. In the near future, we could see AI-driven social media strategy. Instead of just automating tasks, AI will take over full-fledged strategic planning, analyzing market conditions, and providing actionable insights that guide the overall social media approach. Hyper-personalized marketing. AI will deliver increasingly personalized content and messaging that's fine-tuned to each individual's behavior, preferences, and interactions with brands. Voice and video search optimization. As voice assistants and video content become more prevalent, AI will help optimize social media content for voice search and video queries. Increased use of generative AI. Expect more generative AI tools to create content, e.g., personalized videos, ads, at scale for hyper-targeted campaigns. AI is not killing social media marketing, but rather reshaping it, making it more efficient, data-driven, and customer-centric. While it may replace some traditional marketing tasks, it will also create new opportunities for marketers to focus on high-level strategy, creative decision-making, and customer engagement. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's likely to become an essential part of every social media marketing plan. AI agencies can drastically improve the efficiency, precision, and effectiveness of your social media marketing efforts. However, the key to success is to use these tools strategically, combining human creativity with AI-driven insights and automation. By understanding AI's strengths and limitations, integrating it with your team's expertise, and staying proactive with data, you can ensure that you're leveraging AI for the best possible results without losing the personal touch that makes your brand unique. Dealing with AI agencies can be a bit of a shift, especially since they offer a mix of automation, data-driven decision-making, and cutting-edge tools. Follow us for more amazing content and hit like if you want to see more of this. Comment below for a chance to be featured in our next post. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow us for more tips and hit like to show your support. Let's chat in the comments.